Hey, welcome everybody. Today is Sunday. I'm going to add a little more content to my channel. It's been a long time, but I've acquired a new motorcycle, this one right here, and it's kind of given me the idea to do a little bit more filming, add a little more content, share a little bit more. It's not my intentions to teach anybody how to do anything. It's not my intentions to necessarily entertain or to preach. I'm just here having fun, and I thought I'd share this with my channel because I don't know how often people get to see such a varied mix of rare machines. But I thought that I would maybe share what it's like to own some of this stuff, what it's like to ride it, have fun with it. They're all fairly rare, and they're all operational. Even that dude. Oh, and by the way, the music that you hear in the background, it belongs to my friend, Scott Tomaselli, and I do have the rights to play it in the background, so I don't want to get in trouble with that. But yeah, anyways, like I said, I want to add a little more content and share a little bit of this with everybody. I'm gonna bring this out of hibernation. It's been a long time. I've had it since 1985, and I just feel like putting a bunch of parts on it that I've collected over the years. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be installing one of these radiators for my automatic transmission. I'm going to put a big, huge radiator in the front, and that big, huge radiator does not have a cooler built into it for the automatic transmission, and that's okay because this big motor runs pretty warm anyways, and I don't need to introduce any more heat into the cooling system. But I'm going to stick that radiator up under here. So it's been a long time since I've played with this car, and it shows, but little by little I'm going to put it back, and some of that work is going to be displayed here on my channel. So I'm starting off with this, but I will jump around regarding the content because I'm presently doing a bunch of stuff with this, and I'm waiting for a lift so I can raise it up in the air and get it off the ground. I got to do a bunch of stuff. I just picked it up. It's only accumulated 2,900 miles in 20 years, so it's pretty much like brand new. It's been sitting on display, so I have to inspect a whole lot of stuff before I actually start riding it. This I've had for 10 years, and this is fully operational, and we'll be showing a little bit of video regarding that. I've had this since brand new. We'll take that out and about and do some filming, show what happens when you take it out in public. It's pretty rare, 1 year only. Had it since new. Everything here is pretty darn rare. And we're going to start out with this. So let me get started. And I'm not going to do like step by step. I'm not going to do a step-by-step documentary on how I do all this stuff. I'm just going to do it, and I might do before and afters. I might just show you what it's like being done. I don't know, I haven't decided, but it's time to add a little content. So here we go. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for the next installment. Whammer Jammer out.